Welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you how to use ChatGPT and what is ChatGPT. So you will simply open Google Chrome in your browser. Here can you see the search bar? You will click and write ChatGPT and press enter. Now can you see the first link with the name of ChatGPT? Click on this link. So this is the main page of ChatGPT. It is asking for login or sign up. If you have a Gmail account or a Microsoft account, you can simply continue with them. Like I am continuing with my Google account. Here I will write my Google account. In some of the devices, when you are opening ChatGPT for the first time, it will ask for your phone number verification as well. And it is very simple. You just enter your phone number. So this is the main window of ChatGPT where you can ask anything which have in your mind. Like if you're a teacher and you are spending lots of time in lesson planning, you can simply ask the lesson plan for any grade. And it will give you everything from objective till reflection, and your lesson planning will be done in just 5 minutes. Not only you're a teacher, you can ask anything like diet plans, recipes. If you are a very high-tech person, you can even ask software development Python codes on this ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? Just try ChatGPT now. And if you think this video is helpful, then kindly hit the like button and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.